In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview tax return online on TurboTax. Previewing your return is a smart way to double check everything before you file. It lets you see the tax forms exactly as the IRS will, confirm your refund or amount due, and catch small mistakes like a mistyped number or a missing form. We'll walk through where to click and what to expect so you can open a clear, printable preview in just a minute. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax online account and have your current year return open. If you're on a phone or tablet, consider switching to a computer for the cleanest view, because some menus are collapsed on smaller screens. On the main screen of your return, look to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down that menu and click Tax Tools. If your sidebar is collapsed, tap the small menu icon to expand it first. Tax Tools is near the bottom and opens a panel with Account and File options. In the panel that appears, click Tools. This takes you to a utility area with shortcuts that help you see the big picture of your return. If you don't see the panel, make sure your browser zoom is set around 100% and try again. Next, choose View Tax Summary. This loads a high-level snapshot of your return, including your filing status, income, credits, and your current refund or balance due. It's a great place to pause and confirm that big numbers look right. If something seems off, you can always return to the guided interview later and make corrections. From the tax summary view, find and click Print Center. This is the hub for printing, saving, and previewing your return. It gathers your federal and, if applicable, state forms into a single place so you can see the complete package. Inside Print Center, select Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. TurboTax will generate a PDF-style preview of your forms. Give it a moment to load. Larger returns can take a bit longer. Once it opens, you can scroll through page by page to review details like names, addresses, social security number formatting, wages, deductions, and signatures. Use the viewer's zoom controls if the text looks small, and check that any included schedules and attachments are present. If the preview doesn't appear, look for a pop-up blocker warning in your browser and allow the preview window. Also, confirm you're in the correct tax year inside TurboTax. Some versions may ask you to complete certain sections before a full preview is available. That's it. By following these clicks, Tax Tools, Tools, View Tax Summary, Print Center, and then Print, Save, or Preview, you'll quickly open a reliable preview of your TurboTax return and review it with confidence.